To claim the Credit Karma grant, the process is relatively straightforward. It begins with applying for a credit card offer through the official Credit Karma page. If the application is rejected, a $50 grant will be sent. However, if the credit card application is approved, the grant will not be awarded. To be eligible, one must fully complete the credit card application, including all required documentation, while signed into their Credit Karma account. There are certain conditions that may disqualify an individual from receiving the grant, including having received a payment within the last 90 days, not having a Credit Karma account with a verified U.S. telephone number, or having applied for the same credit card with the partner lender in the past 90 days. By avoiding these disqualifying factors, it is possible to successfully claim the grant.